Start by removing loose dust and debris with a dry microfiber cloth so your cleaning step targets grime, not grit. For interior and exterior commercial office window cleaning techniques, use plain water and microfiber as your primary tools. Wet a high-quality microfiber cloth thoroughly, then apply it in overlapping vertical strokes to lift soil without scratching. Follow immediately with a second dry microfiber cloth or a high-absorbency paper towel to buff the glass until it is streak-free. Drying while the surface is still wet prevents residue and spotting. For exterior work, pre-rinse with a hose or water-fed pole to remove loose contaminants. Then repeat the wet and dry microfiber process section by section to avoid drying lines. When working at height, use a water-fed pole with a clean water supply and a pure water filter if available so no minerals remain on the glass after drying. Clean frames and sills first so runoff does not recontaminate cleaned glazing. Maintain a regular schedule based on exposure. High pollution or high traffic facades often need cleaning every 4 to 6 weeks, while sheltered facades may need less frequent attention. 3 common issues are streaking from incomplete drying, residue from chemical cleaners, and scratches from trapped grit. To prevent streaking, always dry immediately with a clean absorbent cloth and work in manageable sections so water does not evaporate before you dry. Avoid chemical cleaners that can leave films that attract dirt and make the glass look worse over time. Instead, rely on plain water and mechanical action from microfiber or paper towels. Prevent scratches by first blowing or rinsing away loose grit and by using a soft microfiber rather than abrasive cloths or dirty towels that can embed particles. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions so users can learn from each other and make better decisions.